Former national player Leonard "Chicken" Mason is dead. Mason died this morning in Brooklyn, New York in the USA at the age of 72. He was said to be ailing for some time. Mason is also remembered for playing with the Santos Football Club, and he also played for Excelsior High in the Manning Cup. He's best remembered for scoring Jamaica's goal against Mexico in a 1-0 victory in 1972 at the National Stadium. This was the first time Jamaica defeated the CONCACAF Kingpins at the senior level. Coach of Santos, Carlton Spanadenis, gave this remembrance.
First of all, as a person, we all grew up in Franklin Town here, and Chicken was one of my best friends in life. Great human being, person do a lot of things and don't ask for no fanfare. Up until the time of his death, he was helping the youngster at Excelsior, and nobody knew what he was doing, but I knew. And Chicken will be dearly missed by me and the club because he helped Santos a lot, and we have a great relationship. So Chicken was one of those persons. He was quiet, but he was a giant of a person, and he will be sadly missed.
Clive Busy Campbell also worked closely with Mason during his time with Santos.
Chicken Mason, born and grew together, Franklin Town, under 15 youth club, Vauxhall youth club. Well, I can say Leonard Chicken was a very close friend. He was a talking mind player, I would say he's a person that never give up for his size because, his father was Chicken Mason also, junior from Lucas. So that's how you got the name.
Mason was a national player from 1969 to 1975.